Sathanda kuthola umbiko la kuthiwa iBafana Bafana khona siyakuyona iBafana Bafana izothola isponsor esisha. Singeke sazi ukuthi isiphi lesponsor lesisisha esosponsorisha iBafana Bafana. Ama-brands amakhulu afuna ukusponsorisha iBafana Bafana ahead of le AFCON lesoyidlala silale eMorocco. Bayibona ukuthi iBafana Bafana yenza kahle. Yenza kahle iBafana Bafana last time iBafana Bafana ku-AFCON yafika le ku-number 3 ku-AFCON yathola i-bronze medal. Kwathi silver medal yatholwa iNigeria, kwathi igold medal ke yatholwa i-host nation le esadlala kuyona i-Ivory Coast. So le AFCON esiyakuyona ama-brand amakhulu afuna ukurepresenta iBafana Bafana. Ngikhuluma ngabo Adidas, ngikhuluma ngabo Nike, ngikhuluma ngabo Kappa nabo futhi oPuma. Babhalile la bathiwa iSAFA izohlangana ne-current kit sponsor iLecoq Sportif to discuss indlela eyaphambili, a way forward. iSAFA i-deal yeSAFA neLecoq Sportif izo-expire ngomhla 31 December, but the two parties will likely part ways by then. Yabo, iSAFA ifuna isponsor esisha due to early termination of the current contract. Thiwa iSAFA neLecoq Sportif will meet soon for an early settlement to pave way for a new sponsor. Bayasho la we have many potential replacement lined up. Yabo, Lecoq Sportif is facing financial difficulties in France and recently filed for bankruptcy. However, uLecoq Sportif has assured iSAFA ukuthi lokho kwenzakala eFrance akuyi-affect lento eyenzekala eSouth Africa. Yabo, ideal yabo nala eSouth Africa kumele iqhubeke. Yabo, shuthi iLecoq ifuna icontract yabo iqhubeke. Esingesazi noma uSAFA uzovumelana nalezo inhlelo lezo because le eFrance iLecoq Sportif unama financial difficulties, but uLecoq Sportif wala eSouth Africa ufuna icontract yabo neBafana Bafana iqhubeke. Yabo, uLecoq Sportif wathatha le deal le neBafana Bafana ngo-2020. Banikhumbula kahle ngo-2020 iBafana Bafana yayiqedwa kudaxazwa iNike. iBafana Bafana isponsorishwe uNike. Bathi swa kuNike sa kuLecoq Sportif sasayina ideal ya 5-year contract. Sources say within uSAFA have told athi lama sources lawa leli jersey leLecoq Sportif, it was one of the worst jerseys iBafana Bafana sekuyaliqoka. Yabo, it was one of the worst jerseys iBafana Bafana sekuyaliqoka. Singesazi ngalapho. Yabo, basho njalo abantu nje banifundela la. Kuthiwa lana Bafana Bafana and other national teams sometimes have to wash their kits between games, a situation that has persisted for some time. This issue could have given SAFA grounds for termination, but they were assured that Lecoq Sportif that things would improve after the challenging COVID-19 period. However, improvements have not materialized. The source added that if Lecoq Sportif attempt to extend the contract with SAFA, they will be not interested due to the poor services they have received. Yabo, complaints about the national team's kits have surfaced before. Banyana staff forward uJermaine while criticizer a lack of quality ku social media or criticize ijezi leBafana Bafana ukuthi alinayo quality. Yabo, singesazi ke bafethu nalithenga ijezi nayibonela nina ngokwenu ngasho ukuthi linjani ijezi leBafana Bafana. But kuthiwa lana all the potential sponsors interested in taking over from Lecoq Sportif at SAFA, such as Puma, Nike, Adidas, already sponsor clubs and national team in South Africa. Nike, former sponsor of Kaizer Chiefs, is currently a sponsor of the South African Rugby Union. Puma sponsors Mamelodi Sundowns. Adidas, a previous sponsor of Bafana Bafana during the 2010 FIFA World Cup, sponsors the Orlando Pirates. World Cup sponsors Kaizer Chiefs. These existing relationships could facilitate a smooth transaction for any of these brands to take over as SAFA kit supplier. Yabo, singesazi ukuthi yipi isupplier ezosupplyela uSAFA. Ungangitshela wena ukuthi yipi ngempela ongayikhetha between these brands? Ungakhetha uKappa, ungakhetha uAdidas, ungakhetha uNike noma ungakhetha uPuma? Ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi lipo ni jezi ofuna ukulibona iBafana Bafana iligqokile. Yabo.